summer breeze, yeah, it feels so right. Cruising with the windows down, nothing but blue skies inside. It's easy to hold me close when everything is going our way. But what happens to us, baby, on a cloudy day? It ain't hard to smile when the sailing is smooth, but I'm looking for a love with something to prove. Cause I've seen a lot of lovers pack their bags and fade away the minute that the shadows take the place of sunny days. I gotta know right now before we take this any further. Are we built for the winter or just for the summer? Can we survive the midnight rain? When the tears fall down and we're dealing with the pain. Everybody loves the light, yeah, everybody wants to shine. But when the storm clouds roll in, tell me, are you still mine? I need to know we won't break. Can we survive the midnight rain? I'm not asking you to carry all the heavy weight alone. I'll be the shelter that you need, I'll be your stepping stone. I'm putting all my chips in, I'm betting on this love, but I need that reassurance when the push comes to shove. I promise to be steady, I promise to be true, but I need that same reflection when I'm looking at you. Cause I've seen a lot of lovers pack their bags and fade away the minute that the shadows take the place of sunny day. Gotta know right now before we take this any further. Are we built for the winter or just for the summer? Can we survive the midnight rain? When the tears fall down and we're dealing with the pain. Everybody loves the light, everybody wants to shine. But when the storm clouds roll in, tell me, are you still mine? I need to know we won't break. Can we survive the midnight rain? Can we survive the midnight rain? Let it pour down when the tears fall down and we're dealing with the pain.